All right, it's Thursday, August 22nd, and I just want to do the end of the day market recap briefly. Not a lot to say actually today, just because the market was kind of closed. It had a little bit of a, if you notice right here, look at this. The market kind of closed off. Basically, what happened was they had some issues with their computers. Hey, things do happen. Even here, Google, take a look at this. No trading volume at all whatsoever. And then they opened it up right at the little bit at the end, right before, 4 o'clock right there. So, but before all that stuff happened, Apple was basically heading lower right here. Notice the volume the last, couple days here was selling off here. And I was watching this 500 level. So this right here at the low was here 589. The low here was 585. So I'm watching this low of 500. It's a very huge psychological support at that 500 region. And we basically broke it right here. And that's when I entered in pretty short. And then, things started to happen, and basically they closed some stuff down. I exited actually my position later on over here for a slight loss. But, that's just kind of what happens in the game. There's some unexpected things that happen, and there's 6 different kinds of risks out there, when it comes to the market and when you're trading the market. So basically you have to stick and understand to your risks and risk-reward strategy. It's just bound to happen. And I did trade some other stuff too as well, but it's not as critical. But just understand that there's overall market risk, there's trade risk, there's volatility risk, there's all kinds of different types of risks. So, and you have to be the one to control and manage your risks. And these things do happen. So just be aware, stick to your rules, stick to your stops, stick to your system. And not every trade is going to be a winner. And that's just the fact of it. That's just the game that we play. And, just take a look at, Google here. Same thing. Closed it down, kind of, not a lot of trades happening. Netflix, same thing, just right here in this region. And then they kind of opened it up for light trading. We're going to see what happens tomorrow. To be honest, I'm not going to be here. I'm going to go to a park and just have fun and enjoy. There's no reason to be in the clutter or mess on a Friday for me. But, for some of you out there, if you want to trade it, by all means, go for it. Looks like we may have a slight little bounce here at this region, at that 15,000 region. And we'll see what it does, bounce around here and see if it trends up on, a couple days or not, and then see where the volume takes it. If not, we could pull back to this 14,500 level. We could pull back to this 14,400 level, or even this 14,000 level. So there's a few levels that we could really hit, but right now we're at this level. So we'll see where things take it. We'll see where the volume goes, but right now it's kind of heading to the downside. And just kind of stick to your rules, stick to your stops, and if you're new, just be patient. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy and have a great day tomorrow, and have a great weekend. Thanks again.